Good day and welcome to my channel once again. In this episode, I will examine my dividend portfolio and show you how much gains my dividend stocks have acquired since around say May 2020 till date, in 2021. And then I will also show you how to update the portfolio within the Dividend Tracker platform with my recent purchases. So grab a cuppa, of course a cup of tea, and then subscribe. Okay, talking about my channel, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, uncles, etc. Seriously, please let us take this channel to say 500 subscribers. Seriously, it is long overdue. And then 500 subscribers is not too much to ask for. And for those who already subscribe, thanks. Meanwhile, please share and like. This will help boost the channel algorithm so that others can get to see the channel and then learn about financial education. Thanks. Okay, back to the topic of the day. Let me take you to my present portfolio. Okay. Meanwhile, wait. Let us look at my previous video and show you my past portfolio, and let's see how much I've invested initially and compare it to my present portfolio now. Well, as you can see here, I hope you can see, and to let you know everything is in dollar. My initial investment is $1,488. Okay, and then my portfolio now has a return of 448%. And you probably want to ask me, how did I come about this number? Well, you see, like I said, my initial investment is 1,488, and now my portfolio stands at 8,160. So how do I get this figure? Minus my initial investment, which is 1,488, from 8,160, that gives us 6,672, and then divide 6,672 by 1,488, which was my initial investment, and then multiply it by 100. That gives us 448%. Though if I use this figure, quoted on this platform, I would have a gain of 426%. Just to let you know. Now let us look at my portfolio and then look at my top 5 holdings thereabout and see how much how am I doing. The first one is Murphy, and I have 20 shares, and the dividend yield is 4.99, and I have $12 as my annual income, $12.05. The next one is New Residential Investment. Dividend yield is 8.17%, and then I have $8 as annual income. AGNC Investment, another REIT. These are REIT. I have 4 shares at dividend yield is 9.65%, and I've been paid $6.24. Okay, we have Nordic American Tanks, which is I've got 10 shares. Dividend yield is 15.68%, and my annual income is $4.05. AT&T, I got 2.1 shares. Dividend yield is 7.19%, and I've got $4.37. Well, as it stands now, I have $49 as my annual income. Okay, let me input my recent purchases, things I just bought. So how do I go about that? I have to click on holding, and then my first one is IBM. How many shares have I got there? 1. What's it sell at the price now? 118.16. And then if I click add, what do I get? You see, this figure is going to change. Everything is going to change. I've got $45 as annual income. I still got 2 more to go. Now let's go here. Let's make add which one have I got next? I got Southern Energy SO. How many shares have I got? I just got 2. At the cost basis of we have $60.13. If I click hard, everything changes. Okay, now as you can see, okay, let me input the last one, which is NNN. And how many have I got? I got 3 shares at cost basis By the way, NNN is National Retail Investment. Cost base is $40.23. Okay, if I click add, what do I have? Voila. Now I got $67 as my annual income. And look at every figures here have changed. Okay, now let me say I want to calculate my dividend yield for say 5-10 years, depend, and I'm going to be using National Retail Properties as my study case. So let us go to dividend calculator within this platform and see how much I would have realized, say in 5 years. Okay, now let's be modest. I have 5,000 as my dividend portfolio right now, and I do, to let you know, I do monthly contribution, weekly, and then weekly of $40, $30 times, I do $30 every week times 4 weeks, that's giving me $120. All right, and then let us go back to this place and look at annual yield, since we're going to be using this as study case. The annual yield is 5.17%. okay, let's input that, 5.17. and then if you know this, I do monthly, which is 120 times 12, which is annual. Really, it's going to be 1,440. And then dividend growth, let's be modest, let's come here. Dividend growth says 3.9. well, I'm going to be modest, let's say 1 or 2. okay, let's say I'm going to put 2. And then what do we have here? I'm going to change this to say 5 years. Let's see how much I'm going to realize, numbers of years. See, let's press this button, calculate returns. And then what do we have? It says below are the compounded dividend returns achieved from investing 5,000 for 5 years, investing 120 per month at 140% with a dividend yield of 5.17%. Voila. What do we have? At this year dividend, I will have realized 19,735. At the end of 5 years, I will have more than $372,000. All right, let's say you can play around with the figure. Let's say you change this, and you can play around this figure as you like. Let's say you put 8 years, and then press same thing. Yeah, voila. What do we have here? What do you have here? At 8 years, voila. Your house is not deceiving you. This is more than 1 million at the end of 5 years. So see how much you will have realized. Play around with this figure. Okay, now this is very handy. Meanwhile, I check my video, this one titled Free Dividend Tracker, Best and Easy Way How to Track Your Holdings for Free, where I explain the step-by-step guide on how to use the platform. And I will also provide a link below. Click on the link to open an account. It is free. Please note, I'm not financially incentivized by Dividend Tracker to advertise this platform. This information is to help my audience and subscribers. I will leave a link below. Okay, seriously, we need to take this channel to 500 subscribers. And thanks as you subscribe. The goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.